Thank you, viewers, for staying with us. Now, continuing with international news, US President Donald Trump on Saturday accused the Democratic Party of illegally paying millions of dollars to celebrities, and all this in return for their endorsements during the 2024 presidential election campaign. In fact, Trump demanded that Kamala Harris and several top American celebrities be prosecuted for allegedly receiving and paying millions of dollars for endorsements during the 2024 presidential campaign. In fact, Trump went ahead and called the move totally illegal and further accused Democrats of breaking campaign finance laws. Now, let's get into the details of the post that he shared on his account. Trump accused Harris in the post of spending millions of dollars to buy endorsements from stars such as singer Beyonce, TV host Oprah, and also civil rights activist Sharpton. Now, he alleged that the endorsements were paid for and not genuine, and also called for the legal action in such cases. He also took to social truth and wrote, and I quote him here, "I'm looking at the large amount of money owed by the Democrats after the presidential election. And the fact that they admit to paying probably illegally $11 million to singer Beyonce for an endorsement she never sang, not even one note, and left the stage to booing an angry audience. $3 million for expenses to Oprah, $600,000 to very low-rated TV anchor." And in fact, he went ahead and said a total lightweight and others to be named for doing absolutely nothing. Now, these ridiculous fees were incorrectly stated in the books and records. And he said this in caps, in fact, you're not allowed to pay for an endorsement. It is totally illegal to do so. That's the latest that's coming in from the US President Donald Trump. He's accused Democrats and party leaders of illegally paying for endorsements. And these endorsements, remember, took place during the presidential campaign 2024.